Up until now, we've been heavily focused on the home-school relationship, the primary relationship in a school community. Now we're going to demonstrate how the school can broaden its reach to other members of the school community in cross-connecting ways. To explain, let's look at our next indicator. The school provides intra-generational associations in which students of different ages are brought together to learn. This indicator refers to students of different ages coming together to learn. Here are some benefits of intra-generational associations. Encourages self-directed learning. Provides opportunities for children to apply knowledge and skills through helping others. Encourages children to make choices in student-directed learning. Allows children to keep track of their progress. The benefits aren't just academic, though. Through intra-generational associations, students begin to develop their own broader sense of school community. Their classmates or buddies extend beyond their homeroom doors. Younger students get the sense that older students are looking out for them. Older students gain satisfaction from mentoring and leading the younger children. Let's listen to a principal, a teacher, and a student describe the intra-generational associations promoted in their schools. More tissues might be a good thing to have on hand.
There are three things that we do here at Dunbar that I'm very, very proud of. Our fifth graders come down and they read to our kindergarten students and first graders. And at lunchtime, the fifth graders help the kindergartners and the first graders with their reading and their math. We have the Future Teachers Association, that program that comes where we have 12 to 25 high school students that come on a bus to our school every Thursday for 6 weeks. These children want to become teachers, so they want hands-on, first-time experiences, and they come and they stay from the morning to the afternoon. The other thing that's great is that we have, for the first year, we have high school mentoring program where a teacher named Mr. Vincent is bringing high school boys to the school, and they come in the afternoon at 2:15, and they read to our children from 2:15 to 3 o'clock. So when these children come in, the high school kids come in, and they help these children, they see them in the evening time, and they go over each other's houses, and they still help them into their learning, and they look forward to them coming in. It's like when they come in, are you going to help me today? And they do, and they also have a lot of conversations with these children. During the cafeteria time, they eat lunch with the children, so they get a chance to share with them some frustrations, some positive things, and then the high school students share it with the teachers. So it's just a good partnership. It's instilling patience in them. When they sit down with a student, they help them print those alphabets and deliver that time. It's self-directing them to ensure patience with the children, and it makes them feel important. I'm doing something good. And then when I speak about it over the intercom, it raises their self-esteem. And raising a child's self-esteem is very, very important. When they feel they're doing something great and I recognize it, and I recognize it verbally, it's a feel-good thing. It's attention. It's attention, because sometimes teachers can show a child how to do something over and over and over, but when a younger person shows them, it's like sometimes the light bulb goes off, and it is just a partnership thing, and they look for each other. It's like a big brother, little sister type thing, and that communicating factor, we need everybody to help, it's good.
Partnering up those students with other students in the classroom, in order to motivate them and let them know, give them the courage to let them know that they are doing well and they are being successful in the classroom. So just basically giving them ideas of how to make the child feel confident within the classroom and that they can be successful within the classroom, even though a lot of our students know, because most of the time as a struggling learner, you know that you're a struggling learner. So we just try to build up that confidence within the classroom, pairing them up with someone in the classroom that is their peer. The benefits for giving students to work with other students in the classroom are, number one, building confidence. Then another, it builds communication, because a lot of times our students struggle. That's something we do acknowledge around here a lot of times with hands-on activities and working together. Sometimes, if you have a person that's a average learner or above average learner, their confidence is high. They feel stronger. They feel successful. Whereas the other person may be a little bit more withdrawn, reluctant to answer questions and things of that nature. So pairing them together and letting the two work together builds their confidence, build courage, give them that sense of community that they're working together in order to accomplish a goal. And I think that's more important than, or just as important as building the students' confidence. Just that working together and things of that nature is being built there. And most of the time our students are successful because it's something about learning from someone that's your peer, opposed to learning to from an adult at sometimes.
I helped her on her homework. Like, this is how you borrow, this is how you add. So can I see you do one problem on your own? It makes me feel smart. It makes me feel like I'm a teacher. Like, I can tell somebody how to work things out. I would hope they would encourage somebody to teach somebody, like to pass it on.
These relationships also make a difference, don't they? Again, ask yourself, how will these relationships impact my school?